The Romotow Rotating Travel Trailer is a unique and innovative design that redefines the concept of mobile living and travel trailers. The Romotow trailer has a distinctive rotating mechanism that allows a section of the trailer to pivot out, creating an extended living space. When rotated, it reveals an outdoor deck area that can be used for various activities such as dining, relaxing, or enjoying the outdoors. The trailer features a contemporary and aerodynamic design, enhancing both aesthetics and fuel efficiency when towed. Constructed with high-quality, lightweight materials to ensure durability and ease of towing, the rotating mechanism increases the usable living space significantly, offering a roomy interior. The interior layout is designed to be versatile, allowing different configurations for sleeping, dining, and lounging. Equipped with modern comforts such as a fully functional kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters. Features smart home technologies for lighting, climate control, and entertainment systems. Customers can choose from various interior finishes and configurations to suit their preferences and needs. Uses premium fixtures and fittings to enhance comfort and functionality. The rotating mechanism allows for quick and easy setup at campsites or other locations. Many functions, such as leveling and extending the deck, can be automated for convenience. Options for solar panels and energy-efficient systems to support off-grid living. Advanced systems for water storage and waste management to ensure self-sufficiency. Designed to be easily towed by a variety of vehicles, making it suitable for road trips and travel adventures. The streamlined shape reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency during travel. Provides ample space and amenities for family trips, ensuring comfort and convenience. The rotating deck area is perfect for family activities and enjoying nature. Equipped with features that can support remote work, making it ideal for digital nomads. Options for Wi-Fi and other connectivity features to stay connected while on the road. Offers a luxurious alternative to traditional camping, combining the beauty of nature with the comforts of home. Ideal for those seeking exclusive and high-end camping experiences. Overall, the Romotow Rotating Travel Trailer stands out for its innovative design, luxury amenities, and practical functionality, making it a versatile option for modern travelers seeking both adventure and comfort.